You should accept it. We did not neglect education at the time of pandemic too. How we have taken responsibility of our children education and accepted online education. In the same manner, now we are entering into the coding era. As we all know, national government, like the Modi government, is going to implement NEP, National Educational Policy. According to that, it's a mandate from grade 6 to grade 12, coding is mandate. See, coding language, what is coding? Coding is nothing but a language, computer language. If you want to work on system, you need to give some commands. That commands, how does it work? When you give some program, it works. So, still now we are making our children to utilize the technology and opening whatever they want, games or any other, they are opening and they are working on them. But today you are coding aimed at from technology consumption to technology creators. See, developing the thinking power of every child, developing the creativity of every child, and demonstrating and executing and analyzing, creating. Here, children are creating their own games through learning of coding. So when we give a chance to learn coding for every child, they will start thinking, how can I create my own character? That is creation. From that creativity, they will analyze the thing, how to execute that one. They will start demonstrating, yes, I have to keep this character at one place and the other at one place. And finally, they will keep in front of you and they showcase in front of the world by their demonstration. So coding is one and only the way to bring out the creativity of your children from out and showing in front of the world. This is the main aim of your coding, to develop and give confidence for every child in creating and thinking and demonstrating and executing and analyzing the point what they would like to execute in front of the world. See, giving another experience, what we are going to give is creating a sense of experience through thinking. After thinking only something can come out. Creation will come out. That creation should be worldwide exhibited. So now I request my colleague Ms. Usha to please continue.
Thank you, Rama. That's really amazing. That's what when Rama came to us and she asked about what she can do for her students. Then it's not regular way to teach something, but we want to see what children has. We want to bring the children inner abilities. You know, everyone not the same, right? Some people have their creativity skills, some has their thinking skills, some are very good in stage performances. So you are coding aiming to identify in which area they are good in and bring their thinking capabilities, analyzing skills, creativity nature, and demonstrating skills. These four, the main you are coding aiming. So as already Rama explained what is coding. Coding is nothing but a communicating method to the computer with a language. So that language, how it is, it should be like this. But we don't want children to go this level and confuse themselves.
Amma.
Okay. Now, my colleague Vanita will show you something which designed with very simple drag and drop coding. Okay. So now she will show you some demo of how to code easy drag and drop method. Vanita? Hi Vanita, can you take on?
Yes. Hi everyone. So now we'll watch one of the animation video which we made with the platform where you're going to learn the coding. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Yeah, can you able to see?
Yes, we can see.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Ms. Usha, can you please explain about the video?
Thank you, Anita. Now, whatever the video you watched, like there are two characters talking, right? Daughter and mother. Daughter saying to mother, her friend learning so many games, videos, developing herself. And mother is asking how she knows, whether she knows some coding concepts. She said, yes, she is going to your coding. See, this entire animation is done by using coding. That coding is called here Scratch. This Scratch is a simple visual programming language. It's developed only for children. It's very easy by using this Scratch, doing animations, games, musics, interactive stories, and many more. Okay, it's very easy drag and drop coding concept, and that looks like this. You can see Scratch looks like this. Okay, so how we are going to support you for that? CS First, it is a web-based program. It exposes student to the computer science. Okay, this CS First, you will have through video tutorials by using that Scratch program. So you have a drag and drop blocks, very easily to understand, as I showed you here. This drag and drop blocks, you can easily combine it and do your own game or animation or character or story, anything. Why we are telling it's easy? Because whatever the initials, I showed you some coding, which is very high level coding done by programmers, that is embedded in this Scratch, and it's given for the children to utilize their mathematical skills, their scientific skills, and their analyzing skills, and their ability to express and demonstrate their whatever the video they did to the other children. So by using this Scratch, what your coding is aimed to bring the thinking skills, analyzing skills, and demonstration skills to around everyone to showcase it. Now, whatever the video you saw, the same way Vanita will show you the demo of the live creating a Rama, take on. Vanita, can you take on?
Yes. Yes.
Vanita, little voice, please raise. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So I'm going to create a new demo here. The first thing we'll take a new project. So basically, this is the online tool you are going to use and learn the coding concepts. So I want to create a small animation here. So I want to make it like, I want to create a small animation between two animals, like, dialogue conversation, something. So to create animation, first thing for any story, first we need the background. Okay, so I'm going to choose the background for the animation which I'm going to create. So there is an option here, choose your backdrop. Now, as I said, I want to create a story for animals. So I want to take a forest background. Okay. Now, here is, so we need the persons or we need animals, to create any animation or anything. So there are options like either you can create your own, diagram or a person in the paint if you have paint skills, or you can use the existing, person. So persons means here it is called as a spirit. So I'm going to choose the spirit. So as we said, I want to take animals. So I want to make conversation between hare. Okay, so here is my hare. Then I want to create conversation hare and parrot. Okay, so I'll take another animal which is parrot. Okay, so here it is. Now, if you see here, the parrot is looking very big, right? So to do the customization or you to add the costumes for the animal or any spirit, you can go to costumes block and select the costume or the spirit. I can resize it. Very simple. Then I will make a position for parrot and hat. Okay. So till now it is very interesting. Now, as we said, coding means we have to give instructions to computer to do something. Okay. So here I want to give instructions to hat to run or to say some dialogues. Okay. So how to do that? It is very easy. The easiest thing is first I want to make conversation start from her. Okay, so I just selected hash phrase. Then from the left side, what here we can drag and drop few actions. Now I want to, drag this say hello off from here to here. Now instead of hello, I want to start the conversation. So the conversation will be like this. Hi, Parrot. Can we go for running race? Okay, so let me play this. Okay, did you see this on the left side? It was saying for 2 seconds. Okay, let me increase the time bit, 3 seconds. Now, if you observe, the hair will just jump and then it will start moving. Now, I want to make hair to move. So, there is a possibility here using programming, we can make hair to move 10 steps. If you want to increase 10 steps to 15 steps, yes, we can do that. So, I will increase steps as well. Okay, so let me play this. Okay, you can see here on with my cursor, it is saying hi, the message what we have typed, and it moved for 15 steps. Now I want to make hat to jump. So how to do? So any position, if you know your maths very well, in maths we will learn x and y coordinates, right? So in this background, if you observe, we can take the vertical as a y-axis and horizontal as a x-axis. So jumping means it should move up, down, right? So I want to make change of the hair position. So what I'm going to do, I will drag change y by 10, again change y by -10. Okay, so we can observe here that hair is moving and going up and down. Let me play this. Okay, it said and it moved. Why it is not jumping? Here we instructed system move 15 steps, go up and down, but here it is doing very fastly. So what we have to do, we have to ask hair to wait, go jump and just wait and down, so we can observe that. But if it is a real hair, yes, it will do, but as a computer we should instruct everything. Let me go to events, and there is a wait block here. So I'll drag and drop wait block. Let me play this. Wow, you saw this is just saying the dialogue, whatever I have given, then moving and jumping. Now I want to repeat this. So for example, if you say some word or maybe you said something, so you want to repeat that action. Same thing we can do. So what we did programming, now I want to repeat this. So how to repeat? We have some action called repeat. I will drag and drop this here and okay. Now, what we said to computer, says this dialog, then change the Y position to 10, wait for a minute, then change again 10 and move 15 steps. It is very easy. Now let me play this. Okay, you can see hair is moving little bit front, right? So here when I click on this entire block, this action is performing. Now I want to change this action. Basically, when I click on this flag, it should go. Like, any programming or anything, we have to first give a kickstart. Okay, so that is same as this. So what I'm going to do, I will drag this event, which is called when flag is clicked, it should move. Okay, so I'm click on flag. Now it will start doing the actions, whatever we have programmed it here. You can see it is very easy to program. Okay, so now we have given instructions only to have. Now let us give same instructions to parrot. Okay, so how to do? Now I will select parrot from the spirit section. Now I have to do programming from start. But for easiness, what we can do, we can simply drag entire block and drop it to parrot section. You can see the same conversation. It will be created for parrot. Okay, yeah, here it is. Now, but hare and parrot, if it is saying same, it is not good. So I want to change a little bit here. So what if hare says we want to go for running, then what parrot should reply? Okay, hare, let us start. Okay, but here one more thing, as parrot, hare is taking 3 seconds to say, if I run this one, both will say dialogue at a time. But children, that both cannot talk each other, right? They cannot start it. So I want to make parrot to wait till hare says completes the dialogue. So what I'm going to do, I will put wait block, wait for 3 seconds. Okay, then this should be 2 seconds, then both should play. Now here one more thing, here the thinking comes from you. Okay, basically parrot, it will not jump up and down, only it will just fly, right? So what I'm going to do, I will instruct parrot, do not go up and down, just fly. So to do that, I'm going to delete this change position blocks. Only I will instruct parrot to just move. Okay, so let me play this whatever till now I created. So I'm making it bigger. Now let's start. Go. Wow, you saw parrot went very fast and hare still now it is coming slowly, right? So the winner is parrot. So this is just a small conversation and a dialogue between two animals. Same way you can create, whatever stories you are imagining in your world. So same thing you can create in the computer by easily drag and dropping. Now maybe you think that, oh, she did so many things, but we will help you. Will help you to do all of this, and you can start with taking single character. Okay, so this is the level 1 program you are going to learn at the first step, and we will take you to till developing of a game in this scratch. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this session. I'm giving to Miss Usha. She will explain you other concepts and what the curriculum, other things. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vanita. And I hope children, you enjoyed the session. And when Vanita showed you how easy it is and how fun it is, right? All you need is just register with us through yourcoding.in and you will receive a enrollment email. Okay. And you can join with us. Now, Miss Rama will tell you guys how to enroll and how the session is going to be conducted. Miss Rama,
Yeah.
can you take it further?
Yeah, Usha. First of all, Vanita, it's excellent. Your program you have shown, it's very good animation. Children, not only animation, you also can create your own games. After giving instructions, how the parrot and the hare has moved, you have observed. So not only playing games, you try to create games. And now we are offering 2 dias to learn this coding. One is Springboard Academy Tanuku branch for offline students. If anyone wish to learn coding, they can directly contact Springboard Academy Tanuku branch. And those who wish to go with the online can directly visit our yourcoding website that is given on the screen, yourcoding.in, and you also can write a mail and you can contact the phone number and summer camp. It starts from April 1st and you will have 3 levels. Those who all qualified the 3 levels will get a Google certification also And after that, for the advanced language also, we are ready to teach you. So parents, once again you think it's a good opportunity, learning new technology, new education. It is good for everyone. And now I request Usha to pass on.
Thank you, Rama. That's really a great closer. Dear children, as you guys seen, it's really very easy tool, drag and drop. Okay, but it's not just drag and drop. You need to put all your ideas, your thinkings, your imaginations, your creativity levels. You wanted to tell something to your parents, but you are scared. But no, you come and tell to us. We will showcase that to your parents, what you are thinking in your mind and what you can be become in future. Okay, so please, whatever the comments are, the you want to know something, go to our website, yourcoding.in, and you can just simply put your mobile number and write what you are expecting from us. We are happy to help you and we will be back to you when we receive your query. Also, if anyone interested to see a personal demo, please write the same thing in the website or write to us yourcoding21@gmail.com, info@yourcoding.in. We will be respond to you and we are happy to give you any personal demo, or if you are expecting a common demo also, it's fine. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed a lot. It's very, very easy, fun play mode. This summer and this summer camp, it's something special for all of you. We wish all of you to join with us. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste all of you.
Madhavi.
Hi. We
Thank
wish to
you.
see you again. Namaste.
Anita.
Thank you so much. We will hope you will register soon. Thank you. We'll wait for you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
If you have any questions now, we have 5 more minutes. You can ask us or you can put our information, your information in our website.
In chat also. 5 minutes. Children, if you would like to ask anything, you can come forward with your questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In which
Sanjay.
chapter we have to do that, ma'am?
Sorry? Chakra Sanjana, come again.
In which chapter we have to do that, ma'am?
First you register. yourcoding.in summer camp registration link is there on the screen. See, take a screenshot, all of you. Take a screen. Register there and drop your doubt where. How to do, where to do, what to do. If you drop your message, you'll get answer. Okay, all of you take screenshot, space, and you can drop your queries into that links and answer. Is it clear, Chakrasanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Is ma'am free? Normally, ma'am, free or any fees?
Fee details and all, just you draw. Registration you first complete. Depends upon your skill. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First you complete registration part, children. All of you first register and drop your query. Then you will get an answer. All details will be shared through the email. Okay? Shall we leave? Usha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if
Usha,
no other questions, yes, we can wrap up. Thank you so
yeah,
much.
final word. I request you all children, come and join in your coding and live as a coding crackers. I wish you all the best. It is a good opportunity. In future, if you do not join now, at least in future you have to learn somewhere. So your school is providing you, utilize that opportunity, right? Final call. Namaste.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Krishna, shall we stop? Bye.
Yes.